So, okay, this is Lilo and Stitch. Now, go see my Lilo and Stitch Decoded. I did this a while ago, right? Lilo came down to Earth. This is the same thing as the man who fell to Earth, right? The monster, right? This monster came down to Earth, and now he's having a what? Or he's being programmed by Stitch or by Lilo, right? To be a human, right? So they have him playing Elvis songs, singing Elvis and all this other stuff, being human. Look, eating an ice cream cone and all this stuff, right? Wearing shades and stuff, right? But he's monstrous to this world, just like you. You feel me? So you are the monster, the moon and stars, the monstrous soul, right? That this outside projection is just a reflection of what's inside of you divinely, Diana, right? When you transition, nobody is ruling over you and nobody's gonna run your show, right? So the moon is also represented as what? The subconscious mind. And if you remember when we seen Moonfall, right? The Moonfall movie on Netflix, right? The moon was nothing but technology. You feel me? It was just a big machine, mechanical machine, right? So when I say you're a supreme technology being, right? I don't give a fuck about how real this shit feels. You're beyond anything that this world can even describe as, right? Because you're so advanced, right? That you feel like this thing is real, but you're a machine. You feel me? And your higher self, right? Just keeping it funky, your higher self, your soul created this machine to play what? This video game. Chaos in the blood. So you got to understand that, right? E.T. Yeah. Somebody said it. You got to understand that you're beyond this place and beyond anything that's happening in this thing. You feel me? So again, just to keep it funky with y'all, look at what we're having here. We are all made of stardust. Everything we are, everything in the universe and on the earth originated from stardust, and it continually floats through us even today. About 93% of the mass in our body is stardust. 93%. There are about 7 trillion atoms in your body. All are billions of years old. At the deepest level, you are the universe in human form. So when I say you are the universe, right? Your own universe, right? Shout out to C. Freeman L, right? Your own universe, that means you have a universe inside of you that's the real universe. That outside is just a backdrop of a reflection of you. You feel me? And you being the moon star, the monstar, right, is the idea of when you transition and go to a higher level, right? You're a soul that doesn't have no rules. You break the rules. So if you learn that down here, right, and start understanding that you breaking rules right now, right? Chaos being, right? I'm gonna get to it, don't worry. If you learn and understand that, right, that you know what? Let me break some rules. Go get my chaos book, right? 23 ways to break free of the mind control ways, right? If you understand that, then you can get outside of this earth, right? And stop acting like a human and become a god. Here we go. Let's get it.